So hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft server within Discord and how to host your server. So how to do this, let's get started. First what you need to do is go over to your Discord server and then click on server boost. Now just click on create game server and then select the game you want. For us, we're going to create a server for Minecraft, so just click on Minecraft and here just enter the name for your server, select the location with the lowest ping and then select your plan. For my case I'm using start plan. Now just click on enable game server, and if you don't have enough boost, so it will ask you to purchase the boost, so just go ahead and do that. Once you do this, your game server has been created. Just click on view game server. Now just click on join game server, click on agree and continue, and then here just read all these things for Java and Bedrock both, and once you understand these you'll be able to join it easily. Just click on this copy and it will copy the server address. Just go over to your game, go over to multiplayer and then add the server and copy this IP on your server IP. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.